Last week you were able to see me let the ducks into the vineyard for the first time this year. Has anyone else noticed that snow is a conjunction of s and no? Snow! Winter and spring keep alternating for a while here on our Michigan homestead, and it's okay. Our parents are still working their permaculture orchard and haven't even started working on the permaculture vineyard yet. Too bad we can't root apple cuttings the way we do raspberries and grapes, which we will make available for purchase next month. But on the other side of the raspberry and grape rows, things are warming up. And in this video, we'll show you how I'm gearing up for the breeding season with my poultry, take a peek at Bucky's garden, KayKay's goats, and some Vineyard chicks mail from our fabulous YouTube friends. We'll also take a peek at our new homesteading song for this weekend, so stay tuned. But don't be expecting any emu eggs this year. Buckbeak and Griffin are still babies. The Muscovy girls have been flying around wherever they want, and I'm pretty okay with that as long as they still know that here is home. They come here to eat, and they come here to drink water, and they will be laying their eggs here when it's time. We've reintroduced the male in here, and the other ducks have been giving us a few eggs every day. Over by the chickens, the rooster has been reintroduced to the hens. So we're pretty happy to have Hagrid in here, and I think on Wednesday we'll be able to take the eggs in there and bring them into the incubator.
Hey!
Another egg.
2 eggs!
We've been getting 5 to 8 eggs from these ladies a day. This is Mooney, Padfoot, and Prongs. These 3 ducks are magpies, and instead of being in Hagrid's Haven with the rest of our magpies, Indian runner ducks, and other assortment of ducks, these 3 are in our backyard. They are our breeder ducks, and they were moved in here a few days ago, and so far they're really liking it in here in their new house. We haven't gotten any eggs yet from them, but they're still adjusting to their new area. But they're really liking it in here, even with the sudden random winter.
Alright, so we have magically teleported back outside, and our 4-legged friends have already started to forage, even with some of the melting snow. There was more this morning. But they're already starting to forage, and we're slowly starting to get the pasture to grow so that they can go there instead.
And of course, the guardian of the barn, always ready.
Eating.
Always
eating.
Yeah, she's caught quite a good amount of rats so far in here. So we're really happy with how Bella's doing. She's a pretty girl.
So here is our strawberry I'm going to be putting in the garden. I use these for my peppers. I made a video actually about this on Bunky's garden. We just replaced it. I think we're going to replace it, the straw we used last year, and use them with these guys. And then we're going to do our peppers, and I'm so excited.
Back inside where it's warm. Anyway, our next song is going to be a request made by Mr. Andy at the Page Family Homestead, Our Journey Back, and he requested Wayfaring Stranger, which is a fairly popular song that's been covered by Emmylou Harris, Johnny Cash, and a lot of other people. I'm going to be singing lead on this song, and Bunky and KayKay will be taking guitar. And last but not least, we also have a very special mail call, and these packages look amazing.
I'm so excited.
It is from Miss Gail at Coupon Gail, and
there is coupon for beans.
Because Bunky loves beans.
There's a ton of coupons in here, and there is a note.
Thank you for your awesome support on my channel. I appreciate you. Congrats on being a lucky winner on my 700 subscriber giveaway. Coupon Gail.
Thank you, Miss Gail. She also has 2 other channels, Gail Southern Living, Southern Sandy Crafts, and then the one this came from is Coupon Gail. So you need to check them out. It's so awesome. I'll leave the links in the description below.
Miss Gail is a really, really nice person.
Mm-hmm.
Next, we have a card from Mr. Freddie at Farm and HVAC. Oh my god.
Whoa, those are so cool stickers.
Oh, they are really cool. Oh, there's so many.
Here.
Not that close. There you go.
So you can see it.
That is so
Hey,
cool.
you do have a really cool sticker.
Yeah. Like this my. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Is that $100?
Yeah. Wow.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Freddy. You're
nice in the real nice kind of way. Bunkie, $33.33. Trie, $33.33. And KayKay, $33.33. 1 penny left. You won my 500 subs.
Thank you
so much, Freddie. I didn't know you were doing a giveaway for that. We're going to have to combine all of this money, buy a new animal, and name it after Mr. Freddie.
Mr. How about we get 3 animals and do it Mr. Freddy, Farm, and HVAC?
That'd be fun. Perfect. And thank you so much. This is amazing.
So much,
Mr.
Thank
Freddy.
you.
This is
Awesome.
You're
Wordless.
just like wordless.
Thank you.
Yes.
Check in the description because you need to check out his channel. It is so awesome.
Yes, Mr. Freddy has a really awesome homestead, and he puts up some really, really nice videos. So please go check him out. Thank you so much, Mr. Freddy. We got the link in the description to his channel, so please go check him out.
Yes.
Our next mail call is from Cooking on the Farm.
Oh my gosh! Okay, that is so awesome. So there's her rooster, I guess, and then
Those are so cute.
her other rooster.
These are really, he's
so
adorable.
pretty. These so. Oh, their
Yeah, they're
horses
very
are
nice.
so cool.
Maybe there's another one.
They're business
That's so cool.
cards.
You have a very handsome rooster.
Yes.
Oh, these are so cute. There's a translation. There's a translation on back. Your videos are cool, and I love Thanksgiving and Easter. I like your dog. And then Miss Rachel said, "Thank you for what you do. Keep up the great work." Aww,
Guys,
thank you so much, Miss Rachel.
Thank you.
I love your videos. What do you like to do on your vineyard? If you want to know what I like to do, I like biking, baseball, and swimming. Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. That's really sweet. We do a lot of. How are you? Not old enough. Fine. We do bike in the vineyard. Mostly thanks to this one. That's true. And we like taking our dogs on walks in the vineyards too. And my favorite activity in the vineyard is throwing tennis balls to my dog. That's fun.
Throwing them at your sisters.
No, I don't do that. No Boogie does that. All right.
Okay.
So thank you so much, Miss Rachel and Mr. David and the rest of your family. Thank you so much. Again, their link in the farm is linked in the description. So this is actually for Bunkie's garden. You're getting your own fan mail. Oh, no, that's it.
Oh my. Yes. Actually, I won this at a giveaway.
Whoa.
It's
Cute. No, it's a small.
It's a small, so.
Whoa, that's
It's
so cool.
I love this. This is so cool. Thank you so much, Mr. Joe. This is awesome.
Let's put it on.
Woohoo! This is so cool.
Wow, that is awesome.
I'm gonna see if this actually fits me.
Yeah, it'll work. You'll grow eventually. Soon it'll only fit me. And your dream.
It's perfect. It's
perfect.
perfect.
Perfect fit.
And now,
Leave it on. Leave it on.
and then I got another sticker.
You got big stickers. Those
I
are
love
cool.
these stickers.
Yeah, he's got cool stickers.
Okay, next.
Yay.
Is
Mr.
that-
Joe's Blank Garden State Gardener is also in the description, like I've been saying with all of these awesome channels. So please go check his channel out. He does Sunday Fun Day every Sunday. And
Monday pierogi.
things.
Pierogi,
Something
Monday
on Monday.
pierogi.
Okay. I'll leave it to Bunkie, the YouTube expert. So please go check out his channel.
last but not least, we have Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona.
Oh, yes.
Oh
So she painted this backwards.
That's so pretty.
She painted this backwards. And I actually painted something similar to this. Yes.
This is so pretty.
I know, but she painted it backwards. I painted something.
Bunkie didn't paint this backwards, but she did paint this.
This was Bunkie back in 2019.
19. And
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
You picked out.
and
You were destined to meet Miss Sandy Bunkie.
Don't you?
Like, seriously.
beautiful.
So
and-
pretty.
Mirror image.
Oh my gosh, she made new stickers. We have her first ones here, but here on our sticker board, but this is so pretty. I love it. I love it so much.
Is so gorgeous.
What is
Yarnologist?
yarnologist?
Oh my gosh. These are so pretty.
KayKay likes that.
Next.
Ooh, they shine.
They're
Yarnologist.
so pretty.
I think this is
I think
mine.
she's hinting that we need to learn how to do yarn.
Oh goodness.
I love
Bunkie put on another shirt. That's great.
it. I will be nice and
It's like one of those old
cozy.
100 sweaters challenges we used to see on TV.
Oh, yeah. Do people still do that anymore?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure you put on 100 and then you have to take off it. These are so
so pretty.
so pretty. Who wants to bet how many t-shirts we could put on Bunkie in one day?
We should do this for
Yes, all the
Our next
t-shirts
milestone.
we've ever received, we're going to put on Bunkie at once.
all at once.
This is so hot.
You look great.
Yes, you look amazing.
Ooh,
Ooh,
that's
no, that's Trey. Trey, open it.
Wow, that's so pretty.
Oh dear.
Wow. So this is like a clip kind of thing?
Yeah, you put it.
I don't want to drop the magnet.
It's a magnet thing.
Ooh,
Somewhat like that.
Pretty.
But that is so cool. I can wear it with her shirt.
Miss Sandy?
Yeah, you can.
Miss
You
Sandy, this is
are
so
awesome.
cool.
Miss Sandy, you are the best.
So, like all of these
Thank
other,
you so much.
like all of these other awesome gifts
was
and like all of these other awesome gifts and channels, we are leaving Miss Sandy's link, Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona's link in the description below. She also has a couple other channels. One Woman's Walk with God, which we've been listening to every morning.
Yes,
she
as a
does
devotion.
great devotionals. And fused glass artwork.
Fuzz glass.
Fused glass artwork.
Fused glass artwork where she does more crafts similar to this, but with fused glass. And those are really cool. I always thought that was a really cool
Nifty
form
idea.
of art. And so those are really cool. If you could please go check those out. And all of the other amazing channels it's just amazing what you guys are sending us. Thank you so much.